Hi Poppers! Welcome back to my YouTube channel again, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, and also like, comment, and share na din. And for today's video, we're going to have a tutorial video all about chemistry. So we're going to solve problems about molality, boiling point elevation, and calorimetry. So let us start with molality. So this is the formula for molality. That is, molality equals moles of solute over kilogram of solvent. So this is the example question. So the problem is 6.4 moles of ethyl glycol in 6,000 grams of H2O or water. So what is the molality? So we're going to use the formula of the molality. That is, molality equal moles of solute over kilogram of solvent. So in this problem, the moles of solute is 6.4 and the kilogram of solvent is the 6,000 grams. But in order for us to get the kilogram of solvent, we have to convert this 6,000 grams of water or H2O into kilogram. So 6,000 grams is equal to, or is converted to 6 kilogram. So 6,000 grams of H2O is equal to 6 kilogram in 6 kilogram of H2O or water. So this is the equivalent of 6,000 grams, 6 kilogram. So let us apply the formula. So molality equal to moles of solute over kilogram of solvent. So that is equal to 6.4 moles over 6 kilogram. So 6.4 over 6 kilogram is equal to 1.07 molar. So this is the final answer. So let's proceed with the boiling point elevation. So in this boiling point elevation, this is the formula. Delta T is equal to I times Kb times M, where yung I is the variant Hoff factor, yung Kb is the boiling point elevation constant, and yung M is the molality. Yung delta T is the change in boiling point temperature. So this is the example question. 2.1 mole of NH3 was dissolved in 100 grams of water. Calculate the boiling point of the solution. So again, we're going to use this formula. That is, delta T is equal to I times Kb times M. So yung I given na siya is 1, and then yung Kb is 0.51 degrees Celsius over M, or molarity. And then Yung sa molarity naman, that is mole over kilogram. So sa molarity, yung mole, yung given yung mole, that is 2.1 mole over yung 100 grams of water, we're going to convert it into kilogram. So yung 100 grams of water, we're going to convert it into kilogram. So 100 grams times 1 kilogram over 1000 grams, cancel, that is equal to 0.1 kilogram. So this is the answer for this, 0.1 kilogram. And 2.1 or kilogram is equal 0.1 kilogram is equal to 21 mole. So we're going to substitute these these numbers that we get into this formula. So I is equal to 1, and then times Kb, which is 0.51 degrees Celsius per liter, molecule rather, over times 21. Okay, so this is so initial final temperature minus initial temperature, so that is 10.71 degrees Celsius. So minus 100 degrees Celsius, 10.71 degrees. So we're going to transpose this 100 degrees Celsius into this side, so that is 10.71 Celsius plus 100. So the final answer is 110.71 degrees Celsius. So this is the boiling point of the solution. And lastly, we're going to solve about calorimetry. So the formula for calorimetry is Q is equal to M times C times delta T. So where Q is the heat transferred, M is the mass, C is the heat capacity, and same with delta T is the change in boiling point temperature. So this is the example question for the calorimetry rather. So how much heat is needed to heat 30 grams of water, that is 184 joules per grams Celsius, from 15 degrees Celsius to 95 degrees Celsius. So the first thing we're going to do is to label the given. Okay, so yung Q is still unknown, and then yung mass is 30 grams, and then yung C, which is the heat capacity, is yung 4.184 joules per grams degrees Celsius, and then yung delta T, which is equal to final temperature minus initial temperature. So yung final temperature natin is 95 degrees Celsius, and then 15 degrees Celsius naman yung initial natin na temperature. So that is equal to 80 degrees Celsius. So i-substitute na lang natin dun sa given formula. So that is Q is equals to M times C times delta T. So that is yung N natin is 30 grams. And then yung C is 4.184 joules per grams degrees Celsius. And then yung delta T natin is 80 degrees Celsius. Okay, so the final answer for this is 10,041.6 degrees Celsius. That's it. So that is all for today's content. I hope you've learned something from me. I hope you've learned something from this video. So please don't forget to subscribe and then click the notification bell, and then also to like, comment, and share. So that is all for today again. So thank you for watching. Till next time, Wop Whoppers.